Hello everyone, today we're going to compare Blink and Eufy, two popular smart security camera systems. So Blink is known for its affordable, easy to install cameras with cloud storage options, offering basic home security solutions with long battery life, while Eufy provides rich features security cameras with local storage options, high quality video, and a focus on privacy, eliminating the need for subscription based cloud services. So, in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, performance, customer support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Blink and Eufy, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's go to the features comparison. So now when we talk about the product range, Blink offers video doorbells, indoor and outdoor cameras. And same thing with Eufy, they also offers video doorbells, security cameras, and alarm kits. When we talk about their resolution, Blink, cameras offers us a resolution up to 1080p for all models, while Eufy offers an 1080p to 2K of resolution on their models. When we talk about storage, Blink, they have a cloud storage and it is subscription required or local with sync module too. When we talk about Eufy, they have a local storage and optional cloud backup. And when we talk about power option, Blink they have battery operated which have a 2-year battery life and solar options for outdoor. When we talk about Eufy, they also have battery and wired options available and also a solar, I think. So when we talk about the smart home integration, so Blink is integrates Alexa, IFTTT, then Blink app. They also have their own application. When we talk about Eufy, they also have Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, and Eufy app. When we talk about the two-way audio, so Blink they have a two-way audio on their selected models only, while same thing with U5, but also they have another features which have noise cancellation. When we talk about field of view, so Blink field of view can be up to 110 degrees to 130 degrees, and it depends on the model. And U5 it actually up to 150 degrees depending on the model. When we talk about night vision, so Blink offers infrared night vision. Same thing with Eufy, but they have color night visions also. When we talk about motion detection, so Blink, they have a standard motion detection and customizable zones, while Eufy, they have human detection and customizable zones. So that's it for the simple features comparison. So now let's go directly to the pricing. So when we talk about the basic camera price, so Blink can be starting at a $35. So it depends on the model, but it starts at that price. While Eufy starts at almost $100 of a camera price. When we talk about advanced camera price, so Blink can be up to a $100 for advanced camera price, which for example Blink Outdoor, and while Eufy they offer their advanced camera starting and up to $220 per 220 dollars, for example U5 video doorbell 2K Pro. And when we talk about security systems, so Blink offers their security system starting at $80. For example, their Blink Indoor 2-pack, while U5 their system is starting at a $160, which is their, for example, alarm kit. When we talk about subscription costs, so Blink, they have a $3 per month for protection basic subscription cost and a $10 per month for protection plus a subscription cost. When we talk about Eufy, so they have no subscription required for local storage, but they have optional cloud subscription starting from $2.99 per month. So yes, that's it for the simple pricing comparison. So now let's go directly to performance. So when we talk about video quality, as I said, Blink offers 1080p for all of their models and it is suitable for general home monitoring. And Eufy offers 1080p to 2K and they have a crisp video with better detail. When we talk about motion detection, so Blink they offers basic motion detection and customizable zones, while Eufy offers human detection with fewer false alerts and customizable zones. And when we talk about night vision, so Blink offers infrared for low light condition, and Eufy offers clear night vision, both infrared and color options. Lastly, for two-way audio, Blink two-way audio is available on selected models and they have a decent quality, while Eufy two-way audio have crisp audio with noise cancellation. So when we talk about app performance, so Blink is very simple, easy to use Blink application, while Eufy app is more feature rich with better storage control. When we talk about smart home integration, so Blink works seamlessly with Alexa, which is good, while Eufy also support Alexa, Google Assistant, and HomeKit. And lastly, for battery life, so Blink battery life can be up to 2 years on battery, while Eufy typically 6 months or more, depending on the usage. So that's it for the performance comparison. So now let's go directly to customer support. So when we talk about support channels, so Blink, they offer phone, email, and live chat support. Same thing with Eufy. And for example, for their response time, so Blink when it comes to response time, Blink is very generally quick with the reliable help, while Eufy they are very responsive with generally positive feedback. When we talk about knowledge base, Blink have extensive online help center, while Eufy have comprehensive online resources and forums. Lastly, for warranty, Blink offers 1 year limited warranty, same thing with Eufy with extended options. So yes, that's it for the customer support. So now we're done with the customer support, features, pricing, performance. So now let's go directly to pros and cons. And let's start by discussing Blink pros and cons. When we talk about the pros, Blink cameras are among the most affordable on the market, making them an excellent choice for budget-conscious buyers who need basic home monitoring. And they have a long battery life with the Blink Outdoor offering up to 2 years on just 2 AA batteries, significantly reducing the need for frequent battery replacement. And they have integration with Alexa and it allows for easy voice control, making it simple for users already invested in the Amazon ecosystem to integrate Blink into their smart home setup. And lastly, they offers both cloud storage via a subscription and a local storage with a local optional sync module too, giving flexibility in data storage preferences. So that's it for the pros. When we talk about the cons, Blink video resolution is limited to 1080p, which is suitable for most users but lacks the crisp detail offered by higher-end competitors like Eufy 2K's option. They have many key features such as video history and cloud storage, requiring a subscription plan, which can add to the long-term cost. And they lack advanced features like human detection, which can lead to more false alert from standard motion detection system. Lastly, the field of view is narrower than many competitors, making it a less ideal for users who need broader coverage of large areas. So that's it for the Blink pros and cons. So now let's go to Eufy pros and cons. So when we talk about pros, Eufy offers local storage with no mandatory subscription fees, providing users with greater control over their data and long-term savings. The video quality is superior with 2K resolution and available on many devices, offering clearer image and more detail than Blink's standard 1080p cameras. And they have advanced motion detection features, including human detection. And it helps minimize false alarms, making it an excellent choice for users who want more intelligent monitoring. And lastly, it works with multiple smart home platforms, including Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit, providing flexibility for different smart home ecosystem. When we talk about the cons, Eufy cameras are generally more expensive than Blinks, which could be a consideration for users on a tighter budget who only need basic features. And their product range is smaller than competitors like Ring and, for example, Blinks, limiting options for those who want a more extensive home security ecosystem. Their battery typically lasting 6 months. It's shorter than Blink's up to 2 year battery life, which may require more frequent charging or battery replacements. And lastly, for cloud storage options, while available, and they are more limited compared to Blink subscription plans, which offer more comprehensive cloud-based features. So that's it for the Eufy pros and cons. So now we're done with the pros and cons. Now let's go directly to which platform is the best for you. And let's start by discussing we should choose Blink. So Blink is referable for someone who is looking for an affordable home security solution with basic functionality and long battery life, ideal for users on a tight budget. And someone who prefers a system with easy integration into Amazon's Alexa ecosystems, making it simple for users who already invested in Amazon smart devices. Someone who doesn't require high video resolution or advanced features like human detection but needs reliable indoor or outdoor monitoring. And lastly, someone who values flexible storage options with a choice of cloud or local storage via the Sync Module 2 without needing advanced features. So if you have all of this quality right here, Blink is the choice for you. For the people who should choose Eufy, so Eufy is referable for someone who prefers high video resolution, up to 2K, and more advanced motion detection features like human detection, reducing false alerts. Someone who wants to avoid subscription fees or cloud storage and prefers a local storage with a control over their data. Someone who looking for better smart home integration, especially with Apple HomeKit, in addition to Alexa and Google Assistant. And lastly, someone who needs a strong night vision and superior video quality for clear monitoring during day and night, especially in low light condition. So if you have all of this quality right here, Eufy is the choice for you. And that's it. So in conclusion, in summary, both platforms offer strong security solution but cater to different needs. Blink is ideal for budget-conscious users looking for basic functionality with great battery life, while Eufy offers superior video quality privacy with local storage and advanced features like human detection without mandatory subscription costs. So you need to choose the system that aligns with your home security needs, whether it's Blink for simplicity and budget or Eufy for advanced features and control. So you need to take action today and secure your home with confidence. So with that being said, the comparison is over and I hope this comparison helps you choose the correct option. Also, that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.